Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking a journey through the fascinating world of software development with the Big Bang model. We will explore this model, its various phases, and deep into each one with multiple examples to make it all crystal clear. So let's get started. So now what is Big Bang model is? First thing, what is Big Bang model in software development? The Big Bang model is a is an unconventional approach where everything is developed all at once. So is developed all at once. It's like cooking a massive feast in one go without preparing individual dishes separately. So now let's talk about phases in Big Bang model. Now let's break down the Big Bang model into different phases and understand each one with examples. So first one is requirements gathering. In this phase, we collect all the project requirements just like gathering all the ingredients before cooking a big deal or big meal. So let's say for example, consider a developing an e-commerce website. You would gather requirements like user registration, listenings and shopping cart functionality and payment processing. So the next phase is design. So designing is the step where you create blueprints for the entire project. It is like a planning the layout of your big fest. So for example, imagine designing a restaurant. You would decided where the kitchen, dining area and restrooms will be. Similarly, in the software, you would design the user interface, database structure and system architecture. The next one is development. So development is when you build the entire system simultaneously. It's like preparing and cooking all the dishes in your big meal at once. Let's say, for example, picture preparing a feast. You are cooking the main course, sides, and desserts all at all at the same time. In software, you would be coding the entire system in one go. Coming to the testing phase. Testing in the Big Bang model means checking the whole system for defects. It's like tasting all the dishes together to ensure everything is perfect. Let's say, for example, in software testing, you would evaluate the entire system, ensuring that all the features work together harmoniously, just like checking if all your dishes taste great together. The next one is deployment. Deployment is like serving the entire meal to your guests. You really you release the entire software system to user at once, serving the feast. Like just as you serve all the dishes together at a feast, you make the entire software available to the users without incrementally rolling out features. So what is the advantages and what is the disadvantages about Big Bang model? So now that we have understood the Big Bang model and its phases, let's talk about its advantages and disadvantages. So advantages coming to the rapid development. The Big Bang model can deliver a complete product quickly. There is no need to manage incremental updates. Coming to the disadvantages, high risk. It's a risky since testing and debugging only happen at the end. Limited user feedback. Users may not have a say in the design until it's too late. So, in conclusion, the Big Bang model is an unconventional approach where the entire software system is developed, designed, coded, and tested all at once. While it has its advantages, it is essential to be aware of the risks and challenges it poses. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks for joining us today, and we will see you in the next video.